Hey everyone, big news from SpaceX. Ship 36 just exploded during a static fire test at their Starbase facility in Texas. This was a routine pre-flight check, but things went south fast, creating a massive fireball. No injuries reported, but this is a major setback for the Starship program. The test stand at Massey's likely took a hit, and launch plans are now up in the air. Stay tuned for updates as SpaceX investigates what went wrong. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's next for Starship? Like and subscribe for more space news.